What's up? We're back and we're gonna open up 10 more of the Sun and Moon Team Up mini packs, the ones with 3 cards in them. We got these from the dollar store again. We've had some really good luck with these, so hopefully we get some more good pulls. We'll start with this Pikachu pack. Let's see. Have you guys pulled anything good in any of these dollar store packs yourselves? We've packed him quite a few times. Pidgeot and an energy. Let's see what we can get from this Snorlax and Eevee pack. How crazy would it be if we got a full art Mewtwo and Mew team up card in one of these? That's a weird looking Pokemon. Meowth. Fairy Charm. Gengar. Actually one of my favorite Pokemon. You think you'll see more of the ghost type Pokemon now that it's October in Pokemon Go? Oh, it's a reverse hollow Weedle. That's cool. That's funny. A buff padding. But yeah, reverse hollow Weedle. Probably not a super sought after card, but not too bad. Haha, a regular Weedle, that's funny. Ooh, reverse hollow Pidgeot. We got a regular Pidgeot earlier. Reverse hollow. Grass memory. And an energy. Not too bad. That's kind of cool. Let's see if this one will just be a full art instead of a reverse hollow. Ooh, reverse hollow Golduck. That's pretty cool. Staryu. I like the art on that. Alolan Graveler. It's pretty cool. Actually, keep that one over there. We have 3 more packs to open. Let's see if we can get anything good. Reverse hollow. of the Pokemon that I thought looked funny. Ferroseed. The seed Pokemon. Second to last one. I think I forgot one in there. Ferroseed. Ooh, reverse hollow. Zoroark. That's actually really nice. And final pack. Ooh. Lowen Muck. And an energy. Not too bad, so we'll look at what we got again. Reverse hollow. Reverse hollow. Ooh. Alolan Graveler. Reverse hollow Grass Memory Trainer. Reverse hollow Pidgeot. Reverse hollow Weedle. And my favorite of the bunch, the reverse hollow Golduck. I like the art on this. I've seen it a few times, but it's pretty nice. There you guys go. If you did like the video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you very much.